Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put the s go to the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, the integration of dy, we have y number 2 over 3. I will put outside. The square root, that is about 1 over 2 because we have the number 3. So we have 3 over 2. Next, we have the formula in here. So we put 3 over 2 gone here, and we have 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one in here we calculate, and that is about 5 over 2, and this one we have 5 over 2. So 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 2, we have 4 over 15. This is the end. Thank you for watching.